Hey guys, it's Casey and welcome back to my channel. So your girl has a protective style in, okay? I just wanted to come on here and show you guys really quickly, literally I'm only installing one, of how I did my passion twist. Now typically when people do these type of videos, they show you them directly after. However, this is actually a week and a half old. I was exhausted, okay guys? I was really exhausted installing these, and I just didn't have the energy to like do my makeup and look cute and, you know, come on here and talk. And plus I had like a lot of other things that I was doing and doing a lot of traveling and whatnot, so I just didn't have the time. But I thought that would be actually okay. I hope it's okay with you guys, but this just kind of allows me to talk about my experience with passion twist in real quick, because I've only ever done like when it comes to individual things, I've only ever done box braids. I've never done any other style like Senegalese, I think that's how you pronounce it, twist and passion twist and the faux locks. I've never done any of that, so this was a new experience for me, and it was honestly only my second time ever installing some type of protective style on myself. So anytime I've ever gotten braids done, I've always gotten them professionally done by someone, except for the very last time I had braids in. Before we jump in talking about my experience with passion twist and all that hot tea, make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on that notification bell so you are notified every single time I upload a new video. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up, all right? Because your girl was doing this for 16 hours. So the least you can do is just thumbs it up and make me feel good, all right? Woo, child. So let's go ahead and just get into it. So I threw out the packet, but I would insert a photo right here of the type of hair I used. I used the Freetress Waterways 22-inch hair in the shade 1B as well as 27, I believe it was. And I used exactly, like literally, I probably have like one twist worth left. I used exactly 7 packs of hair. You can get this hair probably on Amazon or like Sam's Beauty. I actually purchased this at my local beauty supply store for $6.99 a pack. I definitely know there's cheaper options out there, you know, ordering on Amazon or Sam's Beauty. I think they'll probably be like $5.99 or maybe like $5.49 a pack, but this was a super last minute thing and I did not have time to wait on someone to ship it to me, so I was like, you know what, $6.99, let's just do it. So yes guys, it took me 16 hours to do this. 16. I don't know how these people on YouTube be talking about they did it in 4 hours. I don't know. Maybe they do protective styles often, so their hands move a lot faster. But for somebody like me who is a beginner, it took me 16 hours. I just stopped to eat maybe once or twice, as well as obviously use the bathroom and answer the door for the Uber Eats guy. But yeah, it took me 16 hours. My back was aching, my body was sore. I was done. I was finito. I was like, get this hair away from me. I did do the rubber band method, which you guys will see in the tutorial portion. So the 16 hours definitely included sectioning and putting the hair in. I will say it's not super heavy. I feel like box braids would be a lot heavier than this. To me, it's a little bit more lightweight and airy. Because my hair is so kinky, you can definitely see my hair coming through some of the twists. And you can see, like, you have to twist this like super tight. Like you can see I did a lot better on some of them than the others, but honestly I did not care. You can see like my hair is poking through on this one, but you can see the twist is a lot more neater than some of the other ones. I didn't really blow out my hair like super duper straight for this, and I feel like if I did, it would definitely had like melted into the twist a lot better. But your girl is so terrified of heat damage, I just did not even care to do that. What I really like about this style is that it can be messy. Like I don't care that it's not perfect, because this just kind of gives me like a whole bohemian, sorry you guys see my mic, but it just gives me a whole like bohemian style vibe, really kind of like beachy, not supposed to be super neat, you know what I mean? Like I love the fact that it's kind of messy. I think it's pretty cool. You can also take like bits and pieces of hair and kind of just have it going throughout it. I think the like messier look looks good with this, opposed to like box braids. When box braids, you want them to be really neat. So being that it's a style style that can be done really messy. I feel like if you are a beginner, you shouldn't be afraid to try it. I think it's definitely worth trying, because it's like, if it doesn't come out super neat, that's okay, because I think it's a vibe like this. I think it looks better that it has a little bit of messiness to it. I think this is a style that can probably last you maybe like 2.5 weeks tops, but after that it might be a little janky. So when I come back from Miami, it should be about 2.5 weeks since I've had this installed, so I'll be taking it out then, and I can let you guys know in the comment section how I felt it looked after 2 weeks, because like I said, this is 1.5 weeks, and you guys will definitely see in the video. I did do like a quick little b-roll, like 5 seconds. I look crusty, my lips was ashy. Listen, don't come for me, I was tired, I was exhausted, but you guys will see what it looked like when I was like directly finished in comparison to right now, where it's a little bit more frizzy. From a 1 to 5, I give it a 3 when it comes to installation, like the difficulty, because it definitely is a learning curve with the whole crochet hook and learning which way to pull it through, but once you actually have the hair in, then you're good to go. It's just as if you were doing a twist out, so you're just twisting the hair around, so that part was easy. I didn't have to dip this in hot water or anything, and for the most part all the ends stayed pretty fine. I want to say it was only like 2 twists that came undone. Like here we go, like this one right here did come undone, but like I said, I kind of like the look of it. I feel like it gives it like this bohemian look, so I think it looks dope that way, so I just left it alone, child. So if you guys are wondering how I go to sleep at night with my hair like this, I tie down the top with the scarf, and then I put a jumbo bonnet on top, and the hair fits into the jumbo bonnet perfectly fine. I got the jumbo bonnet from Sally Beauty. I can link it in the description box for you guys if you need it. It's like $5, and I just go to bed like that, and that's the exact same way how I shower. And yeah guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys how I installed one of them. It's literally super repetitive, so I didn't feel the need to show you guys how to do more than just one twist. Like literally it's the same thing over and over again. The only thing you would just have to get the hang of is just kind of parting your hair, but the best thing to do is have 2 mirrors. Have a mirror in front of you as well as behind you, so you can see the back of your head. I feel like, I don't know, you guys can check it out. I feel like my parting came out pretty neat. I don't know, I'll let you guys look and decide on that one there, but like I mean I can't really see obviously because it's behind me, but like my friends was like, oh my god, your parting looks pretty good for someone who did it themselves. So just having 2 mirrors is honestly the trick. Just have that one mirror in front of you and another mirror behind you, and you'll be able to kind of see what you're doing in part. I'm gonna go ahead and stop rambling. I'm gonna show you guys how I installed it, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is what the hair looks like straight out the packet, and I'm going to take 2 sections of hair for these twists. So if you're doing really small ones, maybe you want to just take 1, but we are combining 2. So the first thing you want to do is take each section and slide your thumb down it to separate the hair, to give it a little bit more volume. So I'm going to take my section of hair and apply some edge control, any edge control of your choice, preferably one that doesn't flake, and then you're going to put that on the roots of your hair and then just brush it out to make it nice and smooth. You want to take your rubber band. Be careful not to tie it too tight, okay? We need our edges. We don't want our edges ripped out of our head. And just tie it around your hair. Then you can take the edge control gel again and just run it down the shaft of your hair to smooth it out as much as possible. And you want to separate your hair into 2. So this is our crochet hook, so you want to make sure the crochet hook is open. You're going to slide it at the base of your hair, and then what you're going to do is take your hair and hook it on to the hook of the crochet hook, close it, and then you're going to slide it through, okay? So that little loop that you have there, you want to open up that loop, take 1 section of hair and put it through the loop, okay? And now what you're going to do is take both parts and gently pull to tighten. Be careful with the edges, all right? Edges, be careful. And now what you're going to do is take 2 sections and you're going to twist as if you are doing a twist out. It's pretty simple, kind of weird to explain, but it's really, really easy, and I know you guys can do it. So just go ahead and twist all the way down. One thing I was also doing is taking a little bit of gel, and as I was twisting down, I kind of ran my fingers down the twist with the gel just to smooth everything out. So you can always do that as well. And then when you get to the ends of it, you just want to coil it around like if you were doing a twist out. And yeah, that was pretty much it. So this is what my hair looked like as soon as I was done. It looks really pretty. I did put some mousse on it just to make it a little bit more shiny, and I also applied some fun little gems just to decorate the hair. So I think it looks so cute. It's an easy style. It does take a while to install, but once you have it done, girl, you're good to go. And you can do a lot of different styles with it in. This is what the ends look like, and yeah, I love it. Alright guys, so as you've seen, it was pretty simple, nothing crazy. I hope you guys, got the gist of it. I'm sorry that I didn't do more than one, but I'm telling you, I was so tired. I just didn't have the energy to take out multiple ones because I actually finished my whole head and was like, shoot, I should have recorded it. I hope you guys got something from this quick passion twist tutorial review situation. I'm not someone who is great at hair, so if I can do it, you definitely can do it and you can save a coin. That's going to conclude this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Love you. Bye.